today I'm going to be showing you how to make this masterpiece of a noise machine. Last video I'll show you, but just in case you missed it, go watch it. I'll just show you what the noise makes. But today I'm going to be showing you how to make something. I'm only going to make a small fraction of it, not like the whole thing, and you can always add stuff to my design. Just like a basic thing. So what you do is you put one rubber facing, for example, this way, and then put the other rubber face the other way. And that makes it all rest doing something like this. But I'll do it just for this. So right now, the noise machine is not working, but not going to be making noise while you're building. So that's like the basic one, and then you can do, and then you can do like this, and then you can add like 6 pistons here, and then after when it gets really big, you can move in more. So it's easy in your opinion. I'm not going to stop you from making something. So just like this, just brush it off, like this. And when you get a bit wider, like when I'm in a bit, when it gets wider, you can start adding note blocks. Like or here, you go in one way and then note block other way. Well, you could do it here actually. So if I want note, I just need. This is you can use any different type of blocks for it. I like to use gold blocks. And then I'm just going to do this. You just put redstone blocks to put pistons up. This, and then you get 6 pistons. You need 6 pistons, or you could use pistons with like pushing pistons up and down, with pushing blocks up and down with 6 pistons. But that's a bit harder, so I would recommend the easiest thing to use is one of these sticky pistons. Here. So just like this. This is how you make it. And then just like that. And then probably, yeah, you can do this, 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 and this, and do this, and this. And then when you do this, that's the whistle. And you can always add more, like for example, you can add redstone blocks here. You can start to maybe go in. Like this. This can go, or you can go like this. You can put in, you can put doors in. I'm not that good with them, so this doesn't work. Get myself surprised. And there we are. Just like that. And then it should work. So, then you can do just this. Good. You don't just use doors. You can use just the other stuff that's in the doors. You can use bells. So they'll doors and bells. This, or you can also put different stuff on the note block. I'll just like, I'm not too sure. What I understand, the different stuff under different blocks under note blocks makes different sounds. Like probably a observer can make sound.